Hi everyone, my name's Grace. I'm one of the skin coaches with Skin Authority. We are so excited to be partnering with the Thompson Hotel to bring you this facial experience today. I'll be guiding you through the treatment, but what's great is that we can even do it one-on-one as well. So we can either hop on the phone or even Zoom. That way I can get to see you and I can really guide you through the experience so that you see the best results for your skin. So if you'd like to do that, you can reach us at myskincoach@skinauthority.com, or you can go ahead and give us a call at 760-268-0047 and then click option 4 to connect with our team of coaches. So this treatment is really all about nourishing and hydrating your skin and creating a beautiful glow. We are gonna dive right in. The very first step is going to be the daily cleanser. So what I actually did is I took off all the seals before really diving into the treatment. That way I didn't have to worry about my hands being sticky or anything like that. And then also grab a wet washcloth. That way you can use this throughout the treatment as well. So we'll begin by grabbing the daily cleanser. I like to use about a pea-sized amount. You really don't need a whole ton. So I go ahead, I put it on the fingertips, and then we're actually gonna apply it to our skin dry. And this works as a makeup remover, toner, and cleanser all in one, which is amazing. So applying it dry helps to really lower your skin's pH, so everything you apply in after will be able to work at that deeper cellular level. So I like to really massage this into my skin. It feels so good. It helps to take us out of that fight or flight mode and really into relaxation. And what you can do as well is even extend everything down to your neck. I feel like the neck is an area that we often neglect, but it needs that love too. I'm gonna put a little bit more on for my neck. Once there's no longer any slip and you feel like the product has really been massaged into your skin, you'll go ahead and take that washcloth and we're gonna go ahead and wipe any makeup away or even just debris. There's so much pollution in the air that can actually embed in our skin. So we wanna make sure that before we do our mask today, that we're really getting any of that out of our skin, and so our face is super fresh and clear. Okay, so now that my skin is totally cleansed, it's patted dry, I still have some eye makeup on, but the rest of my skin is totally clear, I'm gonna do the 7-minute makeover mask. This mask is so fun. I actually like to say it's kind of like a bubble bath for your face because you'll notice it's really gonna foam up. But this is what's giving us that nice gentle exfoliation and also bringing a lot of hydration into our skin. So go ahead and open your packet on up. I realized I forgot to mention as well that the instructions are in this little, they're on this pamphlet as well. So you can actually follow along step by step here, and then you'll see all the items are here as well. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and open this packet. It smells so fresh and clean. All right, so we're gonna put this right on our face, and then you'll notice pretty instantly it's gonna start to foam up. And like I said earlier, that's what's giving us that nice gentle exfoliation. I love this one because it has black oak charcoal fiber and neroli water. So it's really giving us a nice boost. And you'll notice that the before and after is huge. I feel like every time I take off my mask, my skin is just glowing and it feels amazing. And you'll see the bubbles are starting to pop up. So with the foam that's produced, I'm gonna roll up my sleeves and I'm gonna apply this to my arms and then even down to my neck as well. If I was wearing like a robe or a more low-cut shirt, you can even apply it to your chest. I just love to extend the really hydrating benefits everywhere I possibly can. It's so hard not to smile when you have this mask on just because it's such a fun experience. And what other mask do you have that bubbles up like this and just makes you feel so good? It's such a fun gift for others as well. All right, so once your 7 minutes are up, we're gonna go ahead and take this mask off. Okay. And then you'll probably have some extra foam on your skin, so you can actually massage that in and it'll just absorb really nice and easily. If you find that there's extra foam and you want to wipe it off, that's when you can use your warm washcloth to go in once again and get rid of that foam. It's crazy because I feel like my skin looks even better now than it did when I had makeup on. It just creates such a natural, beautiful glow. So mask is done. We're gonna go on to our next step, which is the dramatic eye lift. That's gonna come in this gray packet right here. So go ahead and open this one up. Same thing with the daily cleanser. You really only need about a pea size amount for this one. So I like to put that pea size on my ring finger. And then once you have it on your finger, you're gonna start near the tear duct and then work in a circular motion going up and out towards the outer eye. This one is amazing for really tightening and firming and contouring the eye area. I love this in the morning too, especially after cleansing, because I feel like it just makes me look more awake and refreshed. So go ahead and massage that in. And then we'll also apply this to underneath our brow and on our lid too. So really getting that full eye area. I feel like you can tell this eye is looking a little more lifted already. And then we'll do that second eye. You might even have some left over from this packet, so you can actually save this for tomorrow in the morning. So it's on my ring finger. I'm gonna go ahead and starting at the tear duct and then working up and out. And then underneath the brow, and then on my eyelid as well. And then I have a little tip for you. You can actually apply some around your lips too, because this has our special SGF4 technology, which stands for skin growth factors. So those act like an instruction manual for our skin cells. So they actually work to tell our skin cells to be more plump and hydrated and youthful. So you can get all the same benefits you're getting around your eyes, even around your lips. So I like to just do around my lips too, because who doesn't love a little natural plump? Okay, so now that we've done our gentle exfoliation and we did our tightening and firming step, we're gonna go on to our hydration component. So if we look at the instructions, we'll see that the next step is the Tri-Power Peptide Hydrator. So I'm gonna use about a pea-sized amount for this. And then I'm gonna apply this everywhere that I apply the daily cleanser and the 7-minute makeover mask. So just massaging it into my skin. I love this one because it's not oily, it doesn't feel greasy. It's really nice and light, so it just absorbs beautifully. And this one has 3 primary peptides in there, so it's really gonna strengthen your skin as well. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more, probably another pea-sized amount for my neck area. And then another area you can do as well is the tops of your hands. That's an area that I feel like we forget about a lot, but still needs that love. And especially if you're in the winter months or maybe you're in colder climate, this is an area that can get chapped really easily or even cracked in between your fingers. So it's nice to have that extra hydration there. Okay, on to our very last step, which is our Skin Suit Face. This is one of our superhero products. It actually protects against major light sources like blue light, infrared light, and then of course UVA and UVB rays. So it gives us that full light spectrum coverage, and then it also protects against environmental aggressors, whether that's toxins or pollutants or even activity heat. What I love about this kit too is that these products are travel size, so they'll last you a while. You'll have them for about a month or so, and that way you'll be able to use them on an ongoing basis. So I'm gonna do 1 pump for my face, and then I'll do an additional pump for my neck. You'll see this one's gonna pump out light pink, and then it'll go entirely translucent once massaged into your skin. It feels so nice too. It has a really beautiful blurring effect. So you actually don't even need makeup because it just makes your skin look really glowy and hydrated. But if you do wear makeup, it's actually a great primer as well. And then like I mentioned before, I'm gonna do an additional pump facing down to apply to my neck, and then I'll do the tops of my hands. We have officially completed the facial. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. My skin feels so good and hydrated. And what's nice is that we have skin coaching sessions available for you. So we can actually do one-on-one skin coaching sessions where we really customize a plan that's targeted towards your specific skin goals and needs and concerns. So reach out to us. Our number again is 760-268-0047, and then click option 4. And when you register at www.skinauthority.com, you'll actually get a free gift with purchase. So we're looking forward to connecting with you. We have a ton of educational tools as well, and we'll talk to you soon.